Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. My name is Ibrahim Muhammad Ali, famously known as Ali, representing the professionals of Abkay Abdi Horsen. I would like to give the brief in English. As you people have been hearing, the Lajja Abkay Abdi Horsen were meeting for the last 7 days after serious deliberations and organization by the organizing committee. There were processes that were set as part of the negotiated democracy of this community for the constituents of Lafey people. There were 3 candidates, namely the incumbent, Mr. Mohammed Abdghair, Honorable Mohammed Abdghair, Mheshimiwa Mukhtar 48, and Ahmed Hilal. The 3 candidates presented their manifestos in front of the large gathering of Abkay Abdi. All of them presenting their manifestos, and the community also gave their views. And after a wide consideration, one of the candidates withdrew from the rest and took Fatiha, that is Ahmed Hilal. It narrowed down to 2 candidates, the incumbent and Mheshimiwa Mukhtar 48, and all the other processes have been exhausted, and without any further conclusion and solution, the race has narrowed down to the final agreed process of delegate voting as part of negotiated democracy. After serious negotiations and discussions, the supporters of the incumbent, Mr. Mohammed Abdghair, Honorable Mohammed Abdghair, decided to boycott the process. This is very unfortunate. It's very unfortunate that one section of our brothers have boycotted this, seeing and sensing defeat. They saw that they boycott the whole process, and we are not happy about this. The entire Abkay Abdi Horsen are not happy about this, and as supporters and as part of this community, Abkay Abdi Horsen, we would like to inform the general public, the community of Lafey constituency, that we are going forward with this. Mheshimiwa Mukhtar 48 remains to be the sole candidate of Abkay Abdi Horsen. We will move ahead, we will go to the ballot, and inshallah we hope that he is going to be the one whom the people of Lafey constituency will elect in 2027, inshallah.
Inshallah. Thank you.